Hello all, welcome to session 30 of Selenium Python training series. In this session, I'm going to practically demonstrate and explain what happens on assigning different values to a single variable in Python. So let's get started. First of all, launch PyCharm and right click on this practice folder which I created in one of the previous sessions. Right click here, select new, create this Python file. Here, name this Python file as assigning different values to a single variable. Like this, create this Python file. So after creating this Python file, create a variable, guys, say a, and assign this variable a with the value 9. Okay, and let's print it out. Let's print this variable a. The value that is assigned to this variable a will be printed in the output, right? So what happens in the memory is, let me draw and show you. I'll draw a simple memory diagram. Here, guys, let's assume that this box is a memory thing, and these are the memory slots. Okay, these are the memory slots. So the moment you said a is equal to 9, let's assume that the value 9 is stored here, and to this 9, a is pointing. The variable name a is pointing to this value 9, which is stored at this particular memory location, like this, guys. Fine. Now what I will do is, to the same variable, I'll assign a different value this time, that is 19. What will happen, guys? When I run this code, the a will be holding the 19, guys, not 9. Older value 9 will be replaced by the latest value 19. This time when I run this code, you will see that instead of printing 9, a will be printing 19. The reason is a is currently locating to 19, guys, instead of 9. What happens here is, after you assign 19 to a, this older link will be gone, guys. Okay, this older connection will be gone. A will be no more pointing to 9. So somewhere when you said a is equal to 19, in the memory somewhere 19 will be stored. Now the same variable a is pointing to the 19, guys, not 9. The older connection is gone and a is currently pointing to 19. This is what is happening, guys. Now that's why when you print a, since a is referring to 19, 19 is getting printed here. Hope you are able to understand and correlate. Similar way, guys, if I give another latest value, if I assign another value to this a, like something like minus 10. Okay, now a will be pointing to minus 10. Okay, similarly we can do the same thing for other values types, like 5.67. If I give some random decimal value like 5.67, a is currently pointing to 5.67. It's the older connections are lost. Okay, a is currently pointing to 5.67. Run this, 5.67. Similarly, a is equal to, if I give s, okay, currently pointing to s. So when I print a will be, s will be printed. Other things also, a is equal to, let's say I'll give my name Arun Motori. Run this, Arun Motori will be printed. If I give a is equal to true, currently a is pointing to true, boolean value true. So true will be printed. If I give a is equal to false, currently a is pointing to the boolean value false. So false will be printed. Hope guys you understood what happens when you assign different values to a single variable in Python. So that's it, guys. See you in the next session. Thank you. Bye.